What's going on, everybody? Powerline619 back again with take 2 of my intro. So, Donruss Optic Mega Box, Walmart exclusive. There is a Target Mega Box as well, but it's different. You get 4 cards for a pack, 10 packs in a box, 20 rated rookies, red and yellow, and 2 hologram prisms. We're going to keep an eye out for some Signature Series holos. I pulled one in my last Optic opening. Check that out. And some purple parallels. I've gotten a few of those. Nothing crazy, but I have gotten some purple parallels. And here we have the cavernous box. That is the Donruss Mega Box. This big old box. For that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Donruss Mega Box number 3. Here's our pack. Shuffle them around. Pack number 1. Got Eric Gordon, a Etwan Moore holo, Jonathan Isaac, and Thomas Bryant. We got a Jordan Bell, John Collins Rookie Kings insert, Laurie Markkinen, and Kyle Kuzma. Wow, what a pack that was. It was all rookies and all rookie cards that will make my rookie binder. You see in the background. Got the first. Here we got D'Angelo Russell, Court Kings of the Sweep Kings, Kyle Lowry, Luke Kennard, and Gershon Yabusele, the Frenchman on the Celtics. Pack number 4. Giannis. This card looks funky. Huh, it's like a portrait. Why though? I don't remember the other ones being like that. It's even like that in the back. The card looks smudged. Bill Russell Hall Kings though. Frank Ntilikina and Justin Jackson. We got Bradley Beal. We got a holo of TJ Leaf. TJ Leaf Prism. Rookie. Tony Bradley and Donovan Mitchell. Nice. I don't think I've gotten him an Optic yet. Here we got a Buddy Hield. Wilt Chamberlain Hall Kings. What a card. Devon Reed and DJ Wilson. We got Paul Millsap, Court Kings, Russell Westbrook, another Kuzma, and another Luke Kennard. And here we have another DJ Wilson. Rookie Kings, Jared Allen, Milos Teodosic, and Frank Jackson. Alright, 2 more packs. No purples yet. There's a regular Etwan Moore. Wow. Look at that, a Prism Court Kings of Joel Embiid. What an awesome looking card that is. We got a Justin Patton and a Markelle Fultz. Keep the Sixers stand. Alright, last pack. Alright. Ennis Cantor. Hall Kings, Magic Johnson. Sterling Brown, and our last rookie card, Terrence Ferguson. Alright, that's my third Donruss Mega Box. Not the best one, but definitely not my worst. That one was pretty good. There's some nice hollows in there. I love this Joel Embiid card. Awesome looking. Well, that'll be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like it. And check out my other videos, my other Donruss Optic openings. I got more. And peace.